Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon milk or water, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon butter or oil. Optional fillings, such as shredded cheese, chopped vegetables, or diced ham. Instructions: crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk together with the milk or water until well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add the butter or oil. Once the butter is melted or the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture into the skillet. Let the eggs cook for a few seconds until the edges start to set. Using a spatula, gently lift the edges of the omelet and let the uncooked eggs flow underneath. Once the omelet is mostly set but still slightly runny on top, add your desired fillings to one side of the omelet. Let the omelet cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute until the cheese is melted and the eggs are fully cooked. Using the spatula, carefully slide the omelet onto a plate